shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal. So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's RoboShack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's RoboShack, it's quark-tastic.
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Gadgetron infobots give you coordinates for new planets. You should press the select button to bring up the map and go to your ship. It's
Whoa.
to start.
Yeah, come on. Get it. Buy a new weapon. How much? 21 minutes. Oh. Come on. And already in part 3. Come on. Destroy. So, and I'll move faster. No, oh yeah. He doesn't get the special move right now. Come on. Is that one? And a new weapon. Come on, give it to me. Yeah. Yeah, I'm so happy with it. So now gonna kick some robot ass. So we're gonna go there, I think. Yeah. So I'm gonna make a story run out of it and not get all those, I don't know, I think it was gold scoops and stuff. No. So what we gonna do now? I don't know. I didn't play this game for a whole while.
Try the Gadgetron Quick Select system to activate weapons or gadgets. Hold the triangle button and then select an icon with your left analog stick.
Yeah, we're gonna do it. Come, jump. Do you got something new? I don't think so. Yeah, you got something new. A blaster. But we don't have the money for it. So, and at the beginning of the next part, we're gonna have the blaster. And yeah,
welcome to the Captain Quark Fitness course. If you're strong enough, fast enough, and clever enough to beat my fitness challenge, you will receive a reward from my head trainer. Simply make your way to the 3rd island to complete the course. Good luck. Quark Enterprises is not responsible for sprains, broken bones, snapped tendons, bruised egos, or accidental death incurred while taking the challenge.
Yeah.
Excuse me, Captain, but we have more pressing issues. We urgently need your assistance.
Clank?
Yes?
Do you notice anything unusual about Captain Quark?
Well, I find the fact that he has a spring where his leg should be to be quite puzzling.
And why do you think that is?
Possibly an injury incurred while battling evil?
This isn't the real Captain Quark, you numbskull. It's a robot.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, stupid Clank. So, let's go walk around this. Let's have a look. Nothing here. No. How boring. So. And come on. Give that to me. And we're gonna go do this fast. Come on. We don't have the whole day. This boxes remind me of Crash Bandicoot. Come on. Jump. Yeah. Crack Warriors jumping around part. Of course, it's the beginning of the game, and it's just train your jump and run abilities. Yeah. Come on. Jump. Fucking camera, turn around. No! Oh, how stupid. Oh, man. I'll do it again. Come on. I want to finish this shit till the part ends. Yeah. I play like a little kid. Come on. We've got 4 minutes, I think. Come on. I want to have this in part 3. We're gonna wait.
These moving walls also function as jump slots. Jump and jump again to kick off the walls in midair until you reach the top.
Yeah, I know that. Come on, where's the third island? Is that? No. Come on. Up there. And... come on. Oh, fuck it. I don't have that time. Ooh, flying screws. Come, jump.
To enter look-around mode, press and hold the L1 button.
Why should I look around? Is this something special? No. Jump. And we did it. And who's there? Oh yeah, that fat fitness lady I remember.
Listen up, you loudballs! That was the most pathetic display I have ever seen on that obstacle course!
What do you mean?
We finished the circuit, ma'am.
Oh yeah, but it is weak! When I was competing, I would devour courses like that for breakfast!
Bet that's not all.
If it were up to me, you would drill for the rest of the day! But somehow you managed to impress that fool Captain Quark.
Captain Quark knows about us?
He certainly does. And worst of all, he wants me to give you a prize for that ridiculous performance.
Cool, what is it?
I'm supposed to give you a swing shot, so you can sway to and fro like little insects.
All right, let's see it.
Not so fast. Today the two of you disgraced my obstacle course, so I am going to make you pay.
But that prize is ours from the captain. That's not fair.
Too bad, life's not fair.
So, 1000 of fuck. Come on.
I bet
wanna have
Captain
blaster.
Quark uses stuff like this all the time.
Ha! Real men can swing without silly toys like that. The two of you make me sick.
Congratulations on your new Gadgetron Swing Shot. Use it on standard versatiles like the ones nearby. If the target is out of view, use the L1 button to aim.
So, select, no, how was it going? That one, slingshot. And now we're gonna go, yeah, I remember, no, don't fall down. And that way. Whoa! You're so cool. So, we're gonna finish now. Part 3, and now I'm gonna upload the first part, and I think I'm gonna play them on some trauma center and upload the rest of the stuff tomorrow, Ratchet Clank and the new trauma center part. So, yeah, bye guys. Till sometime. Die.